Yes, student. Now, some chemical properties of amines, that is the chemical reactions of amines. First one, reactions of amines with water. Okay, student, as you know, ammonia, okay, reacts with water to form ammonium hydroxide. Okay, alkyl amines and aromatic amines are the derivatives of ammonia. Therefore, they also reacts with water and forms hydroxides. Getting? But here the hydroxide form will be alkyl substituted hydroxide. Are you getting? Now, as in alkyl amine, there is a R group which is electron releasing group. Being it is electron releasing group, it is more basic as compared to water. So when the ammonia or ammonia derivatives reacts with water, the water here acts as an acid, while the ammonia or their derivatives act as base. Getting? So first it forms alkyl substituted hydroxide, which on ionization gives OH anion. Therefore, we are saying the alkyl amines are basic in nature. The second reaction is reaction of amines with acid chloride. Acid chloride, that is, you can say R C double bond O, and this is what? Cl. This is what? Acid chloride. Getting? First one, with aliphatic amine. Actually, acid chloride can react with aliphatic amine as well as aromatic amine. So first we are observing what? Aliphatic amines. Now student, aliphatic amines is of three types: primary, secondary and tertiary. So can acid chloride reacts with all the three type of aliphatic amine? In fact, what? No. It can react with primary amines and secondary amines, but it cannot react with tertiary amines. Why? Okay, it is because if we talk about primary amine, this is what? R and H2 plus Cl, C double bond O, and this is what? R. Okay, if you write it C2H5 or anything, okay, you can also write it what? Methyl also. Then what? Here H and Cl will release out. Thus, the compound form will be R. This is N. Getting? Then what? H. Then C double bond O, and then C2H5. Isn't it? That means what? Here it forms what? Amide. Okay, and which type of amide? The amide is alkyl substituted amide. This is called alkyl, okay, or you will call an alkyl amide. Now, how it becomes amide? It becomes amide as C2H5CONH. This group is considered as amide. So, in primary amine, there is two hydrogen. One of the hydrogen can react with Cl. Therefore, it can form amide. In case of secondary amine like R, N, and one more R, and this is what? H plus Cl, C double bond O, and again you can write what? C2H5 or any of the alkyl radical. Okay, maybe any of the alkyl radical. Then what? Now here is HCl. So the compound will become what? R, N, and one more R, and then C double bond O, and then C2H5. So that become what? It will become N dialkyl amide. Getting? Now I am writing here amide only. It is because you can take CH3, CH5, any of the things. Similarly, I am writing alkyl here. It is because the R can be replaced by any of the thing. Now, if in case of there is tertiary amine, this is what? Tertiary amine. Okay, so can it react with Cl, CO, CH3? What? no reaction. Now, why it is no reaction? It is because no hydrogen. No hydrogen. Which hydrogen? Replaceable. There is no replaceable hydrogen, therefore no reaction. Therefore, student, this reaction can be utilized to distinguish primary amine with the tertiary amine, or secondary amine with tertiary amine, or even primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. As we can say, primary amine form N substituted alkylamide, secondary amine forms N dialkyl amide, while the tertiary amide do not react. Student, like acid chloride. This is what? Acid chloride. Okay, here what? Minus HCl. The same reaction can be takes place with acetic anhydride. Now what is acetic anhydride? COCH3, and this is COCH3. Okay, plus you can take what? R, N, H and H. So here what? It will become what? H and minus. So you can write minus CH3 COOH, and the compound is become R N. This is H. This is C double bond O CH3. Again this is called what? N alkyl amide. That is the same reaction is takes place with what? Acetic anhydride. So this compound is what? Acetic anhydride. Okay, you can work on it as assignment. Okay, now as we have written reaction of amines with water. So with what? Aromatic amine. So we can write here what? With aromatic amine. With aromatic amines. Okay, now the aromatic amine only change is what? Benzene ring. So here benzene ring. Okay, and then N, then H, and then H plus C double bond O. Okay, sorry, Cl, C double bond O, CH3. Again H react with Cl to form minus what? HCl, and the compound will be what? N, then what? 1H, and then C double bond O, CH3. Okay, if you are taking here CH3, then you have to write CH3. If you are taking C2H5, then it will become C2H5. So the compound become what? N phenyl, and the main compound is what? Amide. Amide from CH3CO NH2 is becomes the main compound what? Amide. That means what? Alkyl amine as well as aromatic amine both react with acid chloride as well as acetic anhydride to form this compound.